just as a quick video into Web 2.0, so I'm going to be covering things like indexing, how you can make Web 2.0s boost your rankings in Google, boost your rankings for videos, send you traffic, boost your sales. I'm just going to be covering a lot of different things. Not to be too overconfident, but I have actually quite a strong Web 2.0 network. The reason why I've got such a strong one is because when I first started doing SEO, I had basically no money for any basic resources. I couldn't buy PBNs, I couldn't get guest posts, that kind of stuff. So what I did actually have was Scrapebox. That's part of the reason why I like Scrapebox so much. You can basically use it to find anything. So anyway, what I did to start with was I used Scrapebox to find me seriously strong Web 2.0s. Web 2.0s I was able to find would have basic rankings for a wide range of different keywords, such as dog, say car, whatever. It could basically be ranking for a wide range of different things. So anyway, in the first ever site I ranked up one of my friend's sites, who's also a guy actually, to be perfectly honest, actually taught me SEO. But anyway, I ranked up a site, and I'll be honest, I was a bit surprised. And this doesn't actually work anymore unless it's a really uncompetitive niche. But anyway, I ranked up a site. All I did was I attached Web 2.0s from Joomla, just as I own now. I just attached, if I remember correctly, it was in total 10 different Joomla links. Anyway, his site before I done this had no rankings, no authority, nothing. Anyway, I attached 10 Joomla backlinks to his site. By tomorrow, his site was in first page of Google, and I kept looking at sites and no, I must be imagining things, but I checked it. It was ranking first page in Google, and basically that's what basically helped him start doing SEO and make money online by basically me helping him to rank up his first site. And to be honest, it didn't really take much effort on my part to do it. But getting more into Web 2.0s is like anything. It's what you put into it for what you get out of it. I've done basically a wide range of different things for my Web 2.0s. I've done manual backlinking to them. I've bought PBNs of different people. I've bought guest posts of different people. I've got my own guest posts attached to them. I've used GSA links. I've used, within reason, almost every SEO program you can imagine with some automated backlinks or give some kind of SEO benefit. I've used on Web 2.0s as a way to basically boost the strength. I mean, I'll be honest, I've got at least 20 different Web 2.0s, and to be perfectly honest, say, some of these sites probably get more of an actually some of your money sites traffic amount. I've got quite a few of them which get actually up to 10,000 traffic a month. I may seem overkill or lie to you, but if you actually understand how to actually run Web 2.0s, there's not really any limit to what you can do with it. I also have as well, part of the reason why I can index them so fast is I actually work in them. The thing a lot of people seem to keep forgetting when it comes to Web 2.0s, the creator or owner of the actual full website, what he or she wants is for you to basically submit useful information or something which is going to make them basically buy the software or buy whatever the Web 2.0 company's real job is or what you're supplying. If you do that, you can basically get traffic, you can get sales, and you'll generally not have any of your Web 2.0s disindexed, that kind of stuff. Because, I mean, for example, in Joomla itself is for me the strongest Web 2.0 I've ever found. But what they want is you to basically submit information. It's either a minimum of once every week or once every second week. You have to basically submit an article. I mean, you can do it in many ways. You can do a manual one if you want. You can just go and fire and paste them at $5 to do it. Or if you're wanting to do it more the way I do it, I've got my own program. Basically, what my program does is it makes me unique content. What do I mean by unique content? The content I'm putting onto these sites is roughly 95% unique every time. And if it's not unique enough after I check it and I put in copy scrape, I will often just delete it and I'll get another article made. I guys have got programs that can do big things, get me basically unique content on a regular basis. And because I'm supplying unique content, I can even increase my phone in Google G Plus more automatically, get more likes, sales, that kind of stuff. Because I mean, it was a bit stupid on my part, but anyway, what I did was I got a software of a guy to make unique content. Anyway, to be completely honest, I never actually read it. I never actually even read it. All I could tell you, it was about honey. Anyway, I submitted the article. I never even read any of it. Anyway, within about 2 minutes of me submitting it, I had 20 different, if I remember correctly, G plus followers had shared my post. I also picked up, if I remember correctly, 2 new G plus followers just by me using that. I mean, that's what it comes down to. If you want to use Web 2.0s, you can easily use it, but it comes back to your time, your resources, and your skills for it being good or bad. Web 2.0s itself can index itself naturally within a day. They can if it's slower. They can sometimes take longer. The reason it can take longer is in the past, lots of people used to do, if you're more spammy, different approaches to Web 2.0s, and because of that, the creators behind these sites have in a way become a bit more strict in what you can actually do and what you can get off with. But if you're willing to put time and effort into it, you can quite easily get really decent results from Web 2.0s. You can, as well as another bit I should add in, is it's quite a good idea or smart to actually, if you can, try and get as many branded Web 2.0s of your website's name or your business brand name available, such as in Weebly, Joomla, WordPress, and any other basically Web 2.0s you can find. Try and get as many ones with your brand as possible. The reason for why it's smart is it basically boosts, if you like, your own brand image. It also, if you like, gives Google a signal that you're actually, if you want, a real business or you actually care about what you're doing online. And if you do that kind of stuff, I could be wrong. I kind of believe it actually helps in quite a way to basically boost your rankings, because then Google sees you, if you like, as a real business or a real person rather than just some guy or some person trying to make money online. Anyway, that's basically all for the video.